Have you ever wondered how coral reefs feed the ocean? At first glance, they might look like lifeless rocks, but coral reefs are actually alive, built by tiny animals called polyps. Inside each polyp live microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. These algae perform photosynthesis, turning sunlight into food. In return, corals provide the algae with shelter and nutrients. This partnership fuels the growth of entire reef structures. Coral reefs are like bustling underwater cities. Thousands of fish, crabs, and shrimp make their homes here. Even creatures from miles away come to feed and breed. Reefs act as nurseries for young fish before they venture into the open ocean. They also protect coastlines from storms and erosion. A healthy reef can absorb up to 97% of wave energy. Without reefs, many beaches would disappear into the sea. Coral reefs support over 25% of marine life, yet they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor. This makes them one of the most productive ecosystems on Earth. Humans also depend on reefs for food and medicine. Some compounds from reef organisms are used to treat cancer and pain. But reefs around the world are in danger. Rising ocean temperatures cause coral bleaching. Bleached corals lose their algae and eventually starve. Pollution and destructive fishing speed up their decline. Once a reef dies, it can take decades to recover, if at all. Protecting reefs is not just about saving beauty. It's about safeguarding food sources for millions of people. It's about preserving natural defenses against climate disasters. Each one of us can help by reducing pollution and carbon emissions. Supporting reef restoration projects can make a difference. If we protect coral reefs today, the ocean will keep feeding life tomorrow.